So, welcome back to Hit the Road Tenerife. We're keeping it south side of the island of Tenerife. We're going to start off from San Eugenio Alto, and we're going to go to a place called La Ruta Autobar in Mar Azul. There, we're going to meet up with head honcho Adam from Easy Rider Tenerife. He has a monthly ride, so there's going to be plenty of big bikes, big bikes, Harley Davidsons, you name it. They're going to be some really cool bikes there. So, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for weekly videos. And most importantly, what do we say? Let's hit the road. Let's go. Shall we do this? Let's hit the road. So, La Gomera right in front of me there. Oh, right in front of us, because, you know, enjoy the ride. Welcome on board. Welcome on board the Suzuki 125. Our flight destination is to Mar Azul, to La Ruta Autobar. And why has he got his hazards on? I'm not too sure why he's got his hazards on. Has he got a problem? Or is he still moving? And I've got someone right up my arse. Why do you want to be right up my arse, mate? Yeah? If you're stuck for ideas, you can always go to the cinema, can't you? Why would you go to the cinema when you're on holiday? I guess I don't know. Anyway, to the right hand side of us, that's X-Sur. So just to the right, just to the left of me, over here, you can just see the TF1 running parallel to this road, and that's what we will just jump on briefly to go up to Junction 821. But I'm just going to take this back road for a minute here, up to Fañabé village. So this is it. We're going to just turn off to the right here. We're going to merge onto the TF1. I wonder how the guys, I didn't actually join up with them. So basically, Adam and Easy Rider Tenerife organise a monthly ride meet-up. And they meet up at our place. They actually meet up at a Cepsa garage in La Gomera. And then usually they have, a couple of planned routes. Usually speaking, they go up to Teddy and back, and it's every month. Just boys, girls, motorbike enthusiasts meet up, chinwag, and then basically finish up with something to eat and drink. Adeje. So that's just to the right hand side of us. And generally speaking, it's most of the sort of like residents live there, and then for economy wise, job wise, they tend to then like work down in the resort area, and then they have their homes and their families and so on up in Adeje village, Adeje town, not village, it's quite a big town. So just got to keep focus at the minute, because I need to find out. Oh yeah, 81's already here, so we're going to go to 81. That was it. You will get to see La Gomera. So we'll definitely do a video trip on La Gomera, taking the boat from Los Cristianos. So we will do that. It's between about 40 minutes, I think it's 40 to 60 minutes, just on a Fred Olsen ferry from Los Cristianos. Takes you across to what's it called, San Sebastian in La Gomera. Certainly we'll do a moto trip vlog. So yeah, I'll definitely do that. Probably do that one with the Gatter. I'm solo. I've been solo on a couple of episodes. Main reason being is the Gatter wasn't feeling too good. So fingers, got to give him the fingers. And again, you can take this road to Los Cristianos, Los Gigantes, which is another nice. It's a resort, but it's not as. I mean, it's not as intense. It's not as intense as Las Americas and Los Cristianos. It's quite in comparison. Look at this guy. Let's see if we can. Wow, what a scrambler. Whoa, with no protective gear on, just a vest and shorts. I can't remember actually if he had shorts on. I certainly noticed he had a vest. Talk about protection. Yeah, you've probably seen this on a few other videos as well. These netted areas here. These are banana plantations in front. Plenty of bananas are grown on the island of Tenerife. Guys, God, I need to get my teeth in. Callao Salvaje is to the left. I don't know whether I should just drop in just very, very quickly just to show you Callao Salvaje. Actually, let's do it. Let's do this. Let's hit the road to Callao Salvaje just very quickly, because I don't think La Ruta is that far from here anyway. So Costa Adeje, Callao Salvaje. And we're just going to go to the bottom here. There you can see the ocean front. How good is that? Not too far away. I did think from a charity point of view, and this will be a call out to Mr. Craig Phillips, but I was thinking about doing a charity swim. But someone said it was like, it's just because it's almost the same distance between Dover and, you know, when they do the channel swimming, it's practically almost the same distance. But of course this is the Atlantic Ocean, and it is rather dangerous. So yeah. Food for thought. Casa Maria there. So yeah, it's got some nice little restaurant and bars around. Pearly Grey there, which is a timeshare place. But yeah, it's good. It is good. But just a little bit too quiet for me. But nevertheless, oh, some development going on there. But nevertheless, still a nice place. What I'm going to do is I'm going to knock off here and then bring you back when I get back onto this top road, onto La Ruta. So see you later. I'm sure sometimes I'm jinxed at the minute. clouds keep following me everywhere. Yeah, it's looking tasty up there. I wonder how the boys, the Harley boys, did today, because they were going up. They were definitely going up to Tady, I think, unless he changed at the last minute. So here we go. La Gomera there, La Gomera. Yeah, baby. Let's go. Ah, there we go. There's a sign already for Autobar la Ruta. It's on to the left-hand side here. In fact, I think that's where they all are. There we go. Whoops. See if anyone. Look at these bikes here.